Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Java UC Mini is a simplified version of Java's Unified Communications (UC) API, often used to facilitate communication features in Java applications. However, it's worth noting that Java UC Mini isn't a well-known term in the Java community. I'll provide a tutorial focused on using Java for basic unified communications features, such as sending messages and making calls. Setting up Java for unified communications. 1. Install Java Development Kit, JDK. Make sure you have JDK installed on your machine. You can download it from the Oracle website, https://www.oracle.com/java/technology/java-jdk11-downloads.html, or use OpenJDK. 2. Set up your IDE. Use an IDE like intellij IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans to write and run your Java code. 3. Add required libraries. For unified communications, you might want to use libraries like Jitsi for video/audio calls or Twilio for SMS and calling features. For this example, we'll use Twilio. Add Twilio to your project. If you're using Maven, include the Twilio dependency in your pom.xml. Example, sending an SMS using Twilio. Below is a simple example demonstrating how to send an SMS using Twilio's Java SDK. Step 1, set up Twilio account. 1. Sign up for a Twilio account at Twilio, https://www.twilio.com. 2. Obtain your account SID, auth token, and a Twilio phone number from the Twilio console. Step 2, write the code. Here's how to send an SMS using Twilio. Explanation of the code. Import statements. We import necessary classes from the Twilio SDK. Twilio initialization. We initialize Twilio with our account SID and auth token. Message creation. We use message.creator to create and send a message, specifying the recipient's phone number, your Twilio number, and the message body. Output. The SID of the sent message is printed to confirm that the SMS was sent successfully. Step 3, run your application. 1. Replace your _account _SID, your _auth token, recipient _phone number, and your _Twilio phone number with your actual details. 2. Compile and run the program in your IDE. Conclusion. This simple example demonstrates how to use Java to send SMS messages as part of a unified communication solution using Twilio. You can extend this example to include more features, such as making voice calls, video calls, or even integrating chat functionalities. Make sure to check the Twilio documentation for more advanced features and capabilities. Feel free to ask if you have any other questions or need further clarification.